God damn, bruh. Not like this. Okay, guys, what's up? What's good? It's your host, Paul Cantu. I'm acting like I'm in a good mood, but I'm not. Bruh, I went to get my girl some food at Whataburger. If you guys have ever been there, last night, bruh, it was late as fuck, like 1:30 in the morning. I was in line for an hour trying to be a good boyfriend, and I took a fat L last night. Went to sleep at like 3. My dogs woke me up at like freaking, what? 7 this morning. And I pulled up to this thrift and forgot a mask. Bruh. So I just went across the street, grabbed the mask, was walking around like this, looking for one like a damn buffoon. But regardless of the fact, we have a brand new trip to the thrift today. And I have a pop-up, not this Sunday, but the next, March 28th in Houston, Texas. So if you guys live in Texas, Houston, the surrounding areas, if you guys live in California and want to make a road trip, pull up on me. It's going to be a crazy meet and greet pop-up. A ton of vendors are going to be there. All the info's in the video description. And if you guys just miss me and want to watch more content, I got a second channel. It also is linked in the video description. Paul Plan 2. But without further ado, we're gonna hop in the first thrift, which is the Salvation Army. I'm already late. I'm kind of in a horrid mood, if I gotta be real with you guys. Like, I don't think y'all truly understand. But regardless, I'm centering my chi. And I'm about to go in there and achieve some great thrift finds that can hopefully elevate my energy. Without further ado, man, I love you guys. Like the video. Let's get in the first store right now. It's going down. Oh, guys. We're live in the building. Shout out to the 20 of you that pulled up here trying to get that orange couch that already sold. Any Hoozleberries, if you guys want great furniture, there's a ton of it, especially the flower encrusted chair, straight in bloom, perfect for springtime. Y'all know what it is. Comfort level, it actually is pretty good. Oh, and it's on the swivel? Bro, that's perfect. Because right in front of me, I have a cart full of stuff. You guys already know, man. I came in here tired, not the best mood, but I struck. Bro, bought a space coupe, now I'm a space cadet. Ha, big white mansion is my habitat, bro. Peep the first piece. Neil deGrasse Tyson, Neil Armstrong. Lance Armstrong only has one ball, bro. You have the beautiful Cutter, oh no, my fault, Outer Banks. Interstellar NASA 90s piece of fire polo. That's nice. Then you also have a little bit of that racist NFL franchise name, the Washington football team. Vintage crew neck. And then, bro, look at Lassie, my guy, my motherfreaking guy. $2, this bad boy is gonna be half off, as is everything. That is one hell of a breed right there, my guys. Just the hair draped up around the neck, beautiful. And then you have this piece, which is correcting the whole franchise name of the former Washington Redskins. United we stand, divided we fall. Bro, you have the founding fathers, the original founding fathers, and these boys just chiefed up on the horses. Straight swag, bro. Swag. Straight up. And then also for all you low-key alcoholics, you got the Simpsons Duff beer. Animated beverages, bro, the best thing to get twizzled off of. And then these baddies just popped up on my radar. I saw the stripe and I was like, that's cute. And then I saw the it's Stussy, man. Low price of what? Kanye, 7. And then last but not least, for you big boys, we got the Champion shorts. Little embroidered C right there. So nice. Anyways, if you guys want anything y'all saw, I have a website, thrifttypeofvintage.com. Link in description. A lot of you guys know that. Any Hoozleberries, man. This first store is smacking. It has restored my faith in the universe and definitely has elevated my mood just a tad. All right, guys, we're at the next spot right now. Man, I just ate some cookies. And my energy is just going up, bro. My blood sugar has risen. Man, let's get in there and see what they got. All right, man, we're in here. This is the Law of Attraction at its finest. I'm rocking the Craig Biggio jersey, and then they have the angelic white Craig Biggio. This is a little promo jersey, though. Very, very lightweight. Coca-Cola. It's like $10. I don't know. I might still get it. It's still a crispy piece, but it is slightly taxed for the quality. Now, also, guys, if you're not rocking Hawaiian shirts spring, summer, what are you doing? This thing is looking like that recliner in the previous spot, except it's encrusted in macaws as well. Got parrots, bird gang, bee gang, young hibiscuses just popping out. And then look, another essential, man. Little striped polo, Papu Bay. I think I read that wrong. It's all good though. It's only $2. Oh man, dude. No capillaries. This store is pretty damn dry. But I'm in that wetwear section and I found a little splash of awesomeness. Look at this Speedo vintage trunks. Like, I seriously have an affinity for Speedo sportswear and gear. Just look at that logo. This is multi-material, crazy color scheme, embroidery. Come on, man. They did it right in the 90s with diagonal stripes around the dick area. Come on, zipper pocket, conceal your narcotics, bruh. And then I found this nice little Canadian, my brother to the north. It says, do not feed the bears. But he has a sign that says, I'm not a bear, trust me. Yo, feed this man, he hungry. He became literate in an attempt to get food from tourists. That fool demands respect. Respect it. All right, I'm getting both of these. Even more shorts were found, bro. I'm telling y'all, we getting wet and wild. I love the Speedo gang. Speedo shorts. You got the nautical with the flags. Come on, man. We're not playing off Thrift Heaven. We're gonna get y'all's thighs right. You heard me, man. Look at that 30th anniversary Nautica, all embroidered, multicolored, unique trunks. And I just found some all blue little shorts that I'm gonna rock on the Plant 2 channel. You feel me? It gets kind of hot while I'm gardening, especially in the crotchal region. The breathability, oh man, out the wazoo. Also, very rare thrift find. They usually have Nerf guns, but they have the Nerf ammunition. You have the Nerf Mega Darts for mega distance. Bro, these things got range. You can snipe a motherfucker with this Nerf ammo. That's definitely what I need for all my Pro 2A Second Amendment activists. This is what we need in crisis times like these, bro. Pull up on my property, you're getting straight nerfed, bitch. Yeet! All right, guys, we're out of there. My dumbass took the rain jacket that was in my car out and put it in my house in betwixt stores. Bro, I'm mental sometimes. I can't believe it, grandfather. I actually found some stuff aside from diapers for adults, because you guys know, man, sometimes I just be shitting on the game wherever, whenever. Peep though, vintage heat though. You got the New England Patriots. Will they actually be good this season? They might be, man. Stacked up some talent around Cammy. Bro, this is an insane piece. Kind of cropped action happening, Captain. That's nice. Nice! And then you have the Beautimus airplane encrusted denim hat. Oh my God, look at those little red tails. Oh, Fifi, do you love me? That's nice. I might have to. And then, bruh, Bahama Papa. Hey, that's my nickname in the Caribbean, bro. You feel me? This is a nice multicolored vintage hat. All right, we're gonna see if there's anything else. Might not be. This mask just keeps falling in love with you. All right, this might be everything. We'll see though. All right, my guys, we're in the next spot of the day, Family Thrift on Hillcroft. It's outlet, everything is $2, and we already have an assortment of divine thrift finds. Y'all already know. You got Mickey front and center. These are all like sleep gowns or just like XXL shirts. They say one size fits all. You got the Sport Pros. Bro, not in concussion protocol. You guys know what I hate. I hate a goofy, especially. And look at the number he's rocking. What is that? Is that 7? Bruh. Swagged out. And then you also have the Lot 29, and then bro, you got the ultimate Christmas snack for Sylvester. I taught a putty cat, my brothers. There's a nice feline on there, and there's a nice feline piss scent in the Thrift. I don't know why, but there's like stray cats in the back that be getting out and just urinating on the garments. Bro, this adds extra value, man. But yeah, that's why I wash all the clothes before I sell them, and that's why there is a slight delay between the videos and what's on the website. I gotta wash all the clothes, man. I'm not sending you guys dirty clothes on Thrift Heaven. You guys already know they're fresh, they're clean, and they're shipped as quickly as I can. All right, love y'all. Anyways, also you got that little western wear right there, that pearl snap, that thing crazy. Lavender, aqua, red, little mac and cheese yellow. Hello, that's a cut. Oh man, we got two 90s classics. Look at the embroidery. Sewing machine was working overtime. You got the whole gang, Warner Brothers crew neck, and then look at that peach color scheme, essential striped 90s t-shirt. Oh my God, absolute deliciousness, guys. Some honey chipotle chicken crispers of vintage gear. It's in the Thrift. You got the Hard Rock Los Angeles vintage tee with all the guitars. And then look at this dude, the sand knit, super old school, my favorite nature film, brothers. Two birds, one bat. Y'all know what time it is. We get wild, we get weird. David Attenborough, man, dude, narrate that shit. And you also got the Chaps Ralph Lauren vertically striped 90s polo. The colors are enticing, mesmerizing. I need them. Getting all three of y'all.
All three of y'all.
This is nice. This is real nice, guys. You have the beer and the virus simultaneously represented on the all embroidered Mexico Corona hockey jersey. And then you got Big Brian Urlacher juked out of his shoes by Tom Brady. One absolute embarrassment, but still a cool player. Guys, look at this beautiful catnapping tee. So you had the Sylvester, now you got another little nightgown. I can't wait. Me and all my male homies gonna get together, rock these. Just have our Thrift sausages draping out from the underside. Bro, we gonna have a lumber party. Bro, we got another trifecta. You got the Fly Alien Air. Only one accident in 54 years. Yeah, right, bro. If aliens came down, they would not just be crashing in Roswell. Fire shirt, though. You also got the Onita's Night Sky. You got the sun and moon dynamic. Then you got the Jimmy Buffett or Buffet Corona tee, bro, with the Schlizzard lizard. Why not? Then we got wolves too. You got one wolf shirt, three wolves, one moon. Come on, what you boys howling at? And then you have like multi wolves all over this other mountain tee. Gotta get all tree. It's grail grabbing season. You got the Mickey D's D-Wade color scheme. You got the logo. What, bruh? 7. Chicago Bulls single stitch t-shirt. The graphic is impeccably clean, and then legit something Michael Jordan will wear himself. Big fan of the tank tops, made in USA, vintage Nike, clean white check, all embroidered. It's stupid in here, man. Just like this mass ability to stay on my face. Whoa, right across the street, you got the Nike hiking boots. Fucking crispers, bruh. Oh man, and in the pants section has came through too. My guys, I don't know what size these are, but they're all orange tab, acid washed jeans. And there's, of course, 3 of them. Ooh, with the slight little sack distressing. Man, this boy might have had that sharp dick over here cutting through that denim. All right, y'all, we up out of there, man. We're at the next spot, yet another family thrift. Let's see if they have anything, man. It's getting hot up in this car. Summer's right around the corner. Well, springtime in Texas is summer, that's what I mean, but let's get in there and see what they got. Oh my God, look at the view, my guys. Baseball fire. I just walked in, I was chopping it up with the homie Jalen. He's in the store. Nice individual. But bruh, you got the Houston Astros for only $1 measly. And then you have the $6 starter Michigan all embroidery piece. If these are the only 2 things I find in here, I'll be kind of happy, but at the same time, still like, bruh, there's gotta be more. Oh, I knew it. There is more to behold, bruh. The Ballers car wash? Wanna be a baller, shot caller. No, there's really not much else. I just felt like highlighting these hats because that name is just impeccable and demands respect. Also, look at that little white hit. Crazy. Oh, hell yeah, dude. I clutched up. I thought there was nothing else, but I clutched up, my guys. Jeff Gordon. You have the DuPont NASCAR tee, crazy graphic. Then you have the Thailand, where me and Lil Kinky always reside. Dude, frequent visitors. You got the freaking all gold embellished Elephantis. That's amazing, man. Yeah, both of these together, $3.
All 3 of y'all.
Yo, this is actually wild. I used to own this as a kid. I would play with it all the time, and I just saw it in the Thrift, And this thing is from 1988. Like this ain't no new shit. This ain't no new dino toy. Man, that's why I thrift, bro. Just stuff that's reminiscent of my childhood, live and direct. Also, what is that? Hey, another little bag. Hey, I got more stuff than I expected, which is always delectable to do in the thrift. All right, let's get home real quick and I'll sign out from there. And all right, guys, so we are back. Hopefully y'all did enjoy today's thrifting adventure. If you did, please like this video. It really helps me a lot. If you guys want to see me when I'm not uploading on this channel, please check out my Paul Plan 2 channel. I upload on there pretty much any day. I'm not uploading on here, so it definitely is worthwhile. And if you live in Houston, pull up to the pop-up on March 28th. And remember, live the dream, eat that ice cream. A lot of clothes are up and available on thriftheavenvintage.com today, so always go ahead and check that out if you guys feel inclined to do so. Till next time, I'll see ya. Peace.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I roost to. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.